Shooting RAW photos on smartphones has transformed the way we capture images on the go. Unlike standard JPEGs, RAW files retain much more detail and information from the scene, preserving highlights, shadows, and subtle color nuances. This extra data gives you far greater flexibility when editing, allowing for more precise adjustments to exposure, color balance, and contrast. By harnessing the power of RAW, your mobile photography can reach new levels of quality and creativity. RAW photos on smartphones capture unprocessed image data directly from the camera sensor, preserving far more detail than standard JPEGs. Unlike JPEGs, which compress and automatically adjust the image, RAW files retain all the original information, allowing for greater flexibility in editing. This means you can fine-tune exposure, color balance, and sharpness without degrading image quality. Photographers who shoot in RAW have much more creative control during post-processing, enabling them to achieve the exact look they want. Ultimately, shooting in RAW unlocks higher quality images and more possibilities for creative expression. RAW files are prized for their exceptional dynamic range, capturing a wider spectrum of light and detail compared to standard image formats. This means you can recover information from both the darkest shadows and the brightest highlights, even if parts of your photo appear overexposed or underexposed at first glance. The uncompressed data in RAW files also gives you more flexibility when adjusting colors and exposure during post-processing. As a result, photographers have greater creative control and can achieve more accurate, vibrant final images. This flexibility is especially valuable in challenging lighting conditions, where preserving detail is crucial. Many modern smartphones now offer RAW photo capture, giving users greater control over image editing and quality. Popular brands like Apple, Samsung, Google, and OnePlus include RAW support in their flagship models, such as the iPhone Pro series, Samsung Galaxy S and Note lines, Google Pixel phones, and select OnePlus devices. To enable RAW shooting, users typically need to access the camera app's settings and select the RAW or Pro mode. Some phones may require third-party camera apps to unlock full RAW functionality. Enabling this feature allows photographers to capture uncompressed image data, ideal for advanced post-processing. When it comes to shooting and editing RAW photos on your smartphone, several apps stand out for their robust capabilities. Adobe Lightroom offers advanced editing tools, including precise exposure adjustments, selective edits, and a powerful healing brush, making it a favorite among professionals. Snapseed provides an intuitive interface with a wide range of filters and tools, such as curves and selective adjustments, ideal for both beginners and enthusiasts. VSCO combines straightforward RAW editing with a variety of creative presets, allowing users to quickly enhance their images with a distinct style. Each app brings unique strengths, catering to different editing preferences and skill levels. Here, we see a side-by-side comparison that illustrates the power of dynamic range adjustments in RAW photography. On the left, the original image appears flat, with deep shadows and blown-out highlights obscuring important details. After editing, the recovered version reveals subtle textures in the darkest and brightest areas, bringing balance and depth to the scene. This transformation demonstrates how RAW files preserve information that can be retrieved during post-processing, resulting in a more vibrant and lifelike image. Let's explore how to edit RAW photos using 3 popular apps: Adobe Lightroom, Snapseed, and VSCO. Starting with Lightroom, users can adjust exposure, contrast, and color balance with intuitive sliders, offering precise control over every detail. In Snapseed, editing begins by importing the RAW file, then making selective adjustments like tuning brightness or enhancing specific areas with the brush tool. VSCO provides a streamlined workflow, allowing users to apply filters and fine-tune settings such as clarity and saturation. Each app offers unique tools and workflows, empowering photographers to achieve their desired look with ease. When comparing RAW files to JPEGs, several key differences become apparent. RAW files capture all the data from a camera's sensor, resulting in higher image quality and greater detail retention. This allows for more flexibility during post-processing, enabling adjustments to exposure, white balance, and color without significant loss of quality. In contrast, JPEGs are compressed and processed in-camera, which can lead to a reduction in image detail and limited editing options. Ultimately, photographers seeking maximum control over their images often prefer shooting in RAW format. Many leading smartphone brands now offer models with RAW photo support, catering to photography enthusiasts who seek greater control over their images. Devices from Apple, such as the iPhone 14 Pro, allow users to capture photos in ProRAW format, preserving more detail and dynamic range. Samsung's flagship Galaxy series, including the Galaxy S23 Ultra, also features robust RAW capabilities through its advanced camera system. These smartphones combine powerful hardware with sophisticated software, making professional-level photography accessible to a wider audience. As a result, users can enjoy enhanced creative flexibility right from their mobile devices. Editing a RAW photo reveals a remarkable range of creative possibilities. Unlike compressed image formats, RAW files capture extensive detail and preserve more information from the camera sensor. This allows for precise adjustments to exposure, color balance, and contrast without sacrificing image quality. As the editing process unfolds, subtle changes bring out hidden details and vibrant tones, showcasing the true flexibility that shooting in RAW provides. The end result is a polished image that reflects the photographer's unique vision. Shooting in RAW unlocks a new level of creative control, allowing you to capture every detail and nuance in your photos. By embracing this format, you open the door to more dynamic editing and personal expression. Don't hesitate to experiment and push the boundaries of what your mobile camera can do. Share your experiences and discoveries with others, and become part of a vibrant community of mobile photography enthusiasts. Together, you can inspire and learn from one another as you explore the endless possibilities of RAW photography.